Do you want to know how you can delete the synced contacts on your Telegram account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to One2Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can delete the synced contacts which are on your Telegram. So let's go ahead and start with the video. Go ahead and open Telegram which is on your phone. Click on your menu which you can see on the top left hand side and go to settings. Open privacy and security. Scroll all the way down until you see contacts. You can see your contacts are currently synced. To disable it, click on this button to disable, and if you want to delete the synced contacts, go ahead and click delete synced contacts and click delete again. In a while, you can notice that all of your synced contacts from your phone was disabled and is deleted on your Telegram account. Now to sync contacts again, go ahead and enable it and you can sync all the contacts once again. I hope this video about how you can delete your synced contacts on your Telegram account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.